Hello, shwmai. Since Bangor University is located in North Wales, you'll probably see and hear the Welsh language being used around campus and around the local area. Here are some simple phrases that you might find useful during your time here in Bangor. Bore da. Bore da. Pnawn da. Pnawn da. Noswaith dda. Noswaith dda. Croeso. Croeso. Lleicu dwi. Lleicu dwi. Ti'n iawn? Ti'n iawn? Sut dach chi? Sut dach chi? Iawn, diolch. Iawn, diolch. Da iawn, diolch. A chi? Da iawn, diolch. A chi? Diolch. Diolch. Diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr. Pob lwc. Pob lwc. If you're interested in learning some more Welsh words and phrases, take a look at the Help with Welsh page on the university's website. Diolch!